Hello everyone, my name is Madhura Sakre. Today's date is 31 January 2022. So today's topic is OOPS concept. What is OOPS? The OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming Language. Now we see what is object. Object is a real world entity such as example. Object is a real world entity such as example in real life like apple, mango, pen, etc. The aim of OOPS is to bind together the data and the functions that operates on them so that no other part of the code can access this data excepted that function. Then main concept is the first one is the class, object, method. Four pillar of OOPS is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. We can see in details in this. First one is the class. A class is a user defined blueprint or prototype I created. Class is used for variables and object created. Then second one is the object. It is basis on the object oriented programming language. It is the unit of object oriented programming language and its real life entity. Then third one is the method. A method is a collection of statement that perform a specific task and returns result in the caller. Return result is the caller, that is called a method. A method can perform some specific task without returning anything. Method allows the reuse code. Method allows the reuse code. Then encapsulation. Encapsulation is a pillar of OOPS concept. It is defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit. It is bind together code and the data. It manipulated. It is called encapsulation. Then inheritance. Inheritance is a important concept of pillar. OOPS pillar. In inheritance, there are four types: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. In a Java, allows the inherit Java allows the inherit futures. Then in a inheritance, subclass, superclass and reusability. This is the main function of inheritance class. In a inheritance in a subclass, the class that inherits the other class, that is called a subclass. Then reusability inherits subordinate concept of reusability. Inherits supports the concept of reusability. It is called a reusability. Then super class inherits the class that inherits the other class. Thank you.